Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Treehouse step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Treehouse website. Look for the sign up or login button at the top right corner of the homepage. If you're a new user, click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Review the terms and conditions, then click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Treehouse. Click on the verification link provided in the email. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials on the login page. After logging in, you will be directed to your Treehouse dashboard. To connect with Treehouse, navigate to the Community section on the dashboard. Explore the forums and discussions to find topics that interest you. Join relevant discussions to engage with other community members. You can also initiate a discussion by posting your own questions or insights. To access learning resources, click on the Courses tab from the dashboard. Browse through the available courses and select one that aligns with your goals. You may also want to take advantage of the Treehouse blog for additional resources. Participate in coding challenges or workshops to further enhance your learning experience. Make use of social media platforms to follow Treehouse and stay updated. Join the Treehouse Slack channel if available for real-time interactions. Stay active and regularly contribute to maximize your connection with the Treehouse community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.